How to enter promo codes in Roblox mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account, and click on More located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find gift cards. Then in gift cards, on top right, you will find redeem card. Simply click on redeem card on top right corner of your screen. Then it will lead you to Roblox page. In here, simply add your promo code and then press on redeem at the bottom and you will be able to redeem your promo code. This is how to enter promo codes in Roblox mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.